Saul's Autotek, and today we're going to talk about something that you may have heard of in the movies or heard about in the past but didn't think was still going on today, but we'd like to let you know is still something that's very much alive and well. While we normally don't see malicious attempts on vehicles to stop them from working, our job is to make sure that we keep them working. In the case of a recent Honda motor vehicle that came into our facility, we pulled out these large chunks from its fuel system, and the vehicle wouldn't run. There was no fuel getting up to the engine, and we couldn't figure out what the cause was. These solidified chunks are pure 100% sugar. So long gone might we have thought of the days of somebody quote-unquote sugaring a gas tank. In this case, it didn't do any serious damage to the vehicle. It simply clogged the filler neck where the fuel goes in, clogged the filter into the tank, and did not do any damage to the fuel pump. The filter did its job. It filtered all this and stopped it from getting into the engine and stopped it from getting through those fuel lines. Unfortunately, we still had to remove the tank from the vehicle. We had to empty it, clean out the inside of the tank, replace the filter, and replace the hoses that allow the fuel into and out of that tank. If you've ever seen or heard of something like this happening in the movies, you might think it's a cool trick because it'll hurt the car and do damage to it. The reality is, it's not an expensive repair. It doesn't damage anything seriously costly. It just clogs a filter that's designed to get replaced regularly and maybe jams up a couple of hoses. Save yourself the grief, and you get more creative if you're going to try and stop somebody's car from running. Ideas like this, putting sugar in the gas tank, don't help anybody, don't actually do any major damage to the car, and really are just an embarrassment for a lot of those involved. Here at Saul's Autotek, we look for every detail in every car. This is something that no one's seen or heard from in 20 years. Yet, we still saw it and had it come into our doors here just last week. If you've ever thought something might have gone on in that nature, you think somebody's done something malicious, or you're just worried and have a concern about it, come and see us. We'd be happy to address any concerns you have, whether it's a sugared gas tank or a loose radiator hose. 303-919-7769. We're here to keep you running and build that peace of mind.